How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. If he has a dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggy will have a good home. How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I read in the papers there are robbers with flashlights that shine in the dark. If he has a doggy to protect him, he'll scare them away with one bark. I don't want a bunny or a kitty. I don't want a parrot that talks. I don't want a bowl of little fishies. You can't take a goldfish for a walk. How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that doggies, I do hope that doggies, I do hope that doggies for sale.
Don't miss the opportunity to meet me, come in, let me appraise your car. Now's the time, Bob. You know why? Because that would be you, Johnny.
Monday nights on TLC keep getting bigger and better. They explain 10 kids and they're all just, they're great. The new hit series Table for 12 is bringing family back. An all-new Table for 12. Monday at 9, only on TLC.
Mr. Orwell is mad and he's trying to find a way to get through to this guy, and Pastore just keeps brushing him aside.
By the time we got to the closing statements, I felt like I had been really put through the ringer. I had described what had happened correctly and honestly, but, I knew that my attorney's closing statements to the jury would be the last thing that they heard from our side.
Sit. Roll. Roll, baby. Roll.